It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.